Nice. Come here. Eves.
Who's that?
Evie! Hi. Thank you for my hug. I'm kind of cold though, covered in snow. Are you eating dinner?
I'm gonna take the pictures. Cheese.
Ooh.
This is cheese.
Cheese. Click.
Where's this?
That's a very good smile. That's very sweet. Oh, now it's a very silly face. Hello.
Don't eat my pasta.
I won't. Think you made your
That's my
pasta.
pasta.
You used that pasta that was moldy?
No, this is Maria's pasta she brought and left. Maria was here yesterday. Or left this afternoon.
What time did you leave?
2-ish, 3-ish. Maybe
Daddy home.
Daddy's home. See your book that
Daddy.
Dylan Mickey sent?
Daddy.
Yeah, I did.
Daddy.
Yes? What can I do for you? Right. On your skirt.
Oh no, Evie. Can you pick up that pasta off your skirt?
I got a tear.
There's some right there too.
Okay, Eves, will you wave goodbye to the camera for me?
Goodbye, camera. Oh my goodness. What is it?
What'd you say?
What?
Are you measuring things?
I think a baby and my toe.
What?
And a baby.
Measure Evie?
Goodbye, camera. Set. Go.
Ready, set, go. You are so tall.
And I made Evie.
You want me to measure Evie?
Yeah.
You hold the bottom part. That's the top. Can you hold the bottom? Good. It says, whoops, pull it down all the way to the ground. It says that you are 24 inches tall when you're on your knees.
Mommy's turn.
My turn?
Mommy's turn.
You gonna measure me?
Yeah. Touches boy. No, touches mom. I touch small.
Who's small?
And mommy's small.
I'm small? What's it say?
It's big, Mama.
It is big, just like me.
Small, small. Oh, I get it, Mama. I get it, Mama.
What does one say?
Peace.
That's much nicer. Whoops. You were missing me? Where was I? Where was I while you were missing me? We just had our first snow. Jason's out shoveling for the first time in his whole life.
Oh boy. Oh damn.
And there's Gatsby. And our snow. There he is.
I missed this window.
You're measuring the window? We are the lucky ones. We get to stay inside while Daddy does the hard work of shoveling snow. Although I don't see him anymore. There he is. Hooking our lights up? Unhooking them? Who knows? Rudy.
I'm just Gatsy. I'm go see Gatsy now.
You can't see the snow on the camera either.
I see.
So we shoveled last night. And now you can't even tell.
Oh no.